The Kitchen Adventure. In a bustling household, there lived a curious girl named Emma and her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Anderson. Emma loved exploring and trying new things, but sometimes her curiosity got her into trouble. One day, while her parents were out running errands, Emma decided to experiment in the kitchen. She wanted to make a surprise dessert for her parents to show how much she loved them. Without asking for help or guidance, Emma began to mix ingredients and use the stove. Unfortunately, she accidentally spilled hot liquid on herself and got a minor burn. When her parents returned home, they found Emma in pain and the kitchen in disarray. They rushed her to the hospital to treat her burn. As they waited for the doctor, Emma realized that she should have obeyed her parents' advice about not using the stove without supervision. Emma's parents forgave her and explained that they had rules in place to keep her safe. From that day forward, Emma always asked for help or permission before trying something new. Moral of the story: Emma's story teaches us the importance of obeying our parents' rules and seeking their guidance, especially when it comes to safety. Like, share, subscribe for more new bedtime stories.